During Windows 8 and Windows 10 installation, Microsoft tries really hard to get you to create a Microsoft account. So a Microsoft account is an online account with their Microsoft service, and if you create and use a Microsoft account, then you're always connected to the internet, and they want to keep everything synced with your email and OneDrive, etc. And we don't really need to create a Microsoft account. And often I think it's preferable to just create what's called a local account instead of creating a Microsoft account. And it depends on the version a little bit that you're installing, but you just have to look around and try to see how to do that. So on the screen that I have here, you can see that this is, it's a Windows 8.1 installation. Just as an example, the Windows 10 may be a little bit different. And one of the steps during the personalization part of the install is to sign into your Microsoft account. And it looks like you don't have a lot of options, but it says don't have an account, create a new account. And so I'm going to click on that, even though I don't want to create a Microsoft account. And then it says create a Microsoft account. So they're still trying to get you to create an online account. But then there is this option, just sort of in a lighter text down at the bottom, sign in without a Microsoft account. The other option that you may see, depending on the version, is it might say domain join instead. And again, it's kind of misleading. Even though you're not going to domain join, you're going to click that option to find your way through to the ability to create a local account. So at this point, I'm creating a local account. Just like we traditionally always have had a local account on Windows, so it's stored on the local computer and not connected to any online services. So you'll just put a username and a password, and this will become the administrator account for the system. So again, just depending on the exact installation, just take a look around at those screens. You do not have to create a Microsoft online account. You just have to find a way to get around that to the point where you can create a local account.